Mice and rats, they're not just unwelcome house guests, they're downright filthy. And while they may not be practicing great hygiene, what if we gave them a reason to rethink their life choices? Like a toothpaste bait that's a trap in disguise. Forget squeaky clean teeth. This little trick will leave rodents wishing they'd stayed far away. Now, believe it or not, toothpaste isn't just for keeping your teeth clean. Today, it's the secret ingredient in a simple and effective homemade mousetrap that will solve your rodent problems for good. The fluoride in the toothpaste is toxic to mice and rats. To make this trap, here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of toothpaste. Mice can't resist the sweeteners and flavors it contains. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 4 tablespoons of salted, well-crushed peanuts. The sugar and peanuts attract the rodents, while the baking soda does the heavy lifting to finish them off. Start by putting all your ingredients into a bowl. Mix them together until you get a compact, dough-like consistency bound together by the toothpaste. It should be smooth and easy to shape. Now roll the mixture into small balls. These will be your bait. They're deceptively inviting to rodents, thanks to the sugary peanuts. But they're also packed with everything needed to send them packing, for good. Place the bait balls near places where you've spotted signs of rodent activity, like droppings, chew marks, or holes. These little balls of doom are irresistible to mice and rats. Once they taste them, the baking soda will react in their stomachs and, well, let's just say they won't be coming back for seconds. And just like that, you've got a clever, cost-effective solution to your rodent problem, all with a tube of toothpaste and a few pantry staples. No more traps, no more mess, and definitely no more unwanted visitors. Toothpaste can also be used as a rodent deterrent as well. Mint-flavored works best because it's the strongest. Squeeze a small amount onto a piece of cotton or a scrap of paper towel. You can even mix it with a few drops of water if you want to make it easier to spread. Now the trick is placement. Identify where the rodents are sneaking in, cracks, holes, or corners near your baseboards. Place the toothpaste-soaked cotton or paper towel right there. The strong smell will drive them away and make them rethink their plans to stay. Refresh the toothpaste every few days to keep the scent strong. And if you've got a more serious problem, combine this with sealing up any gaps or cracks they might be using to enter your home. Who knew something so simple could be so effective? Let me know in the comments how these 2 methods work for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and good luck taking back your home. One toothpaste bait ball at a time.